Hi, so this is a quick tutorial of showing you how to put a cord here for your thumb assist to open your blade in your Leathermans. So what you need, of course, your Leatherman and any type of cord. It can be a paracord or I'm using a nylon cord. I bought this in Michael's, I guess. So it came with 4 sizes, so I'll use the smallest one because the notch here is tiny, so I'll use the smallest one. And you'll need scissor, and the last thing is a lighter. Any type of lighter will work. You just need to tighten it up and burn the cut end so it doesn't get loose. So any type of lighter will work. So let's get to it. The first thing you do is cut our rope. So this is my thread. I got just a small piece, you can see. It's about maybe a foot long, two foot. I just want extra, just in case. It's easier for me to work with extra. So let's begin. So this is the I'll call this a notch. It will be easier for you to understand, so I'll call this a notch, and this I'll call a loop. Okay, so first thing first, take our rope or paracord, put through it, put through the notch. Then I have similar length here. Now the first step is very crucial. Let me just zoom in. You can see. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking the left one, making a loop, then the right one will come above the left one, and then we'll go inside the notch, through the loop, come out here. So again, just to repeat it, put through the notch here. So I take my left one and make a loop. Make a loop here. Take the right one above the loop, above the left one, so it goes above it, and then through the notch and comes through the loop. So we started with left, now we'll make a right one, we'll make a loop from the right side. Same thing, this will come above, then go through the notch and the loop. Then you can tighten up as you go and push your work, so it should be tighter. You can see here. Loop through the hole and through the loop. Keep doing that till there is no more or maybe just right now it's left. I'm not paying attention, but you have to pay attention which side you did so you don't repeat. You can balance, otherwise it will look weird. Doing this. It doesn't take much time. I mean, before you know it, you're done. So this video I'm doing especially for Leatherman group, since I've been seeing people asking a lot questions about how this is done. So now you can see here, seems like I don't have any more space, so I can try to make more space. So squeeze it. I made more space. Sorry, getting off the So I think I'll be good here, but you can continue, you can make as tight as you want. So what I'll do here is just take my scissor and cut as close as I want to. Just be careful, this is a knife, very sharp knife. Now that's the time you need your lighter. So I'll show you here. Be careful, this when it burns might be very hot, so be cautious when you touch your rope, your cord. So you can see a little. But when you burn it, it's very hard to notice any. Where did the knot? And you can move your knots. The knife works well. It opens, closes without any problem. Doesn't touch anything here. Everything is clear. Yep, you're good to go. Well, if you have any question, you can ask me. You can comment below. I'll be glad to answer any questions. Take care.